Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to make your first cup of coffee using the Breville Barista Express. There are many reviews on this machine, so if you're just wanting to know how to easily make your first coffee, then you've come to the right place. So assuming that you've already cleaned and put the machine together, now fill your reservoir with water, pour in your beans, and turn the machine on. Wait a few minutes for the water to heat up. Now select the single shot size filter from inside the tray. Push into the portafilter until you hear it click. For new beans, I usually set my grind size to around 10 and adjust accordingly. The lower the number, the finer the grinds, and the higher the number, the more coarse the grinds will be. Next, I'll set the grind amount at the first outer marker displayed, which you can also adjust if need be. Now select the filter size, which will be single. Pop your portafilter in and push forward once until you hear it click. Grab the tamp to pack and level the grinds. You can also use the included razor to level out the grinds, but I'm not really a big fan. And give a few light presses and taps on the side of the portafilter until you're happy that the grinds are level. Then give around a 20 kilogram press so that the metal marker on the tamp is flush with the top of the portafilter. Insert portafilter and lock it into the group head with one turn. Now push the program button once and the single cup button once. Watch the needle hit the espresso range and give it around 10 to 12 seconds. Press in the single cup button or program button to stop the machine. Remove portafilter and knock out the grinds into a knockbox or container. The grinds can be saved and used on the garden as fertilizer in combination with ground up eggshells. Pop some milk inside the stainless steel jug and place under the steam wand. Turn steam knob to the left and wait a few seconds for the steam to come through. For less froth, keep the steam wand to still, but if you want more froth, angle the steam wand to spin in a whirlpool motion. I like the milk temperature around 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Now mix with your coffee any way you prefer. Grab a wet cloth and clean steam wand thoroughly. Turn steam knob to the left to flush out any excess milk caught up. Clean out the portafilter under a tap. Then pop back into the group head and run another quick flush by pushing the program button and then the single cup button. To stop, push the single cup button again. Remove the portafilter, turn off your machine, and now you're done. There are tutorials out there that go for up to an hour on how to make the perfect coffee. But if you're like me and just want to get straight into it, then I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really enjoying this machine and rate the coffee better than what I've been buying outside. I've also worked out that I'm saving around $740 a year by making my own coffee at home. I'll leave links below where you can find this model and read other customer reviews. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then why not consider liking and subscribing? Thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews, and until next time, happy coffee drinking.